Hey guys, it's Joseph here. We're back at another Nike outlet vlog. We're here at the Carlsbad Premium Outlets. It is Thursday, so it's just before the weekend. I'm going to see what they have this week. Let's go see. Alright guys, there's no line, so we'll go see what they have. Alright guys, we just got in. Let's go see what they have in stock. They have these tees, t-shirts. So we have the JDI slides. We're gonna see what they have. Orlando, $69.99 plus additional 20% off. So these are the big footers, you guys. These are the Nike Air Versa. The next one's up. Air Max 270 React. Retail price by 20% off. You have these ones here. Nike Drop Proto. So you see the additional 20% off. Yep. You have these other ones. Beige gem. Finally at the shelf. Checking you guys. Yes, hype. This colorway. This one's actually pretty good. $16.99. Air Max of Tempo. Some additional discounts and buy. Alright guys, just a quick look. You can find some. These are the LeBron 17 lows. Retail price though. Alright, so just a quick look at the back side. I guess they have these Alpha Dunks. Positions. Some soccer cleats. Okay. The fake Air Jordan 1s. Oh. Some Jordan CCPs. Additional discounts off. We have these running shoes, the Air Pegasus 34s. $49 plus 20% off. Different colorways for the Pegasus. And you have these Nike Renew. So you guys have these Air Max 270 ENG. It looks similar to the NRG, just like the Travis Scott one. This is more in a colorful colorway. Additional discounts. And you have these Air Max 270s. It's supposed to be like the space material. 818 that designates that. There you go, just have that one. And more 270s. And we have more of the Jordan CC3s. LeBron James. Alright guys, we had to cut that short because they told me to stop filming in the store. I did get some clarification. Hey guys, thank you again for joining me here at another Nike outlet vlog in Carlsbad, the premium outlets. I had to cut the video short since Nike management didn't want me to take videos, and I kind of stood out because there wasn't a lot of people in the store. So they kindly told me not to take videos. So I'll upload whatever I have. They did have additional 20% off the hash wall, plus 20% off on additional items in the store or in the aisle that were tagged. And if you had the 150 minus 40, you could also stack that with a 20%. So you just make sure after discounts, your total would still be above 150, and then you get $40 off that. All right, guys, thank you again for joining me. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We just hit 200 subscribers, so thank you so much for that, for the support. If you guys like this type of content, please comment, like, and share down below. And if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Until the next video, you guys, peace.